Beginner's Guide to Mindful Breathing Meditation. Welcome to our Beginner's Guide to Mindful Breathing Meditation. In this video, we'll explore the basics of mindful breathing, a powerful practice that can help you reduce stress, increase focus, and cultivate inner peace. Whether you're new to meditation or looking to deepen your practice, this guide is designed to support you on your journey to greater well-being. Before we begin, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without any distractions. Take a moment to settle into a relaxed posture, allowing your body to unwind and your mind to let go of any tension. Now, let's dive into the practice of mindful breathing meditation. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations, without trying to change or control them in any way. Simply observe the sensations of the breath as it flows in and out of your body. As you continue to breathe, gently focus your attention on the sensation of the breath at a specific point in your body. This could be the rising and falling of your abdomen, the coolness of the air as it enters your nostrils, or the feeling of your chest expanding and contracting with each breath. With each inhale and exhale, allow yourself to fully immerse in the present moment. Let go of any thoughts or distractions that arise, gently guiding your focus back to the sensation of the breath whenever your mind wanders. Embrace this moment of stillness and awareness with an open heart and a curious mind. Congratulations, you've completed your Beginner's Guide to Mindful Breathing Meditation. Remember, this practice is a journey, and it's okay to be patient and gentle with yourself as you explore it further. With regular practice, you'll find that mindful breathing can become a powerful tool for cultivating peace, clarity, and resilience in your daily life. Thank you for joining us on this journey. May you carry the calm and presence of mindfulness with you wherever you go. Until next time, take care and be well. And remember to click the link below this video for more help with starting your meditation journey.